Hey there, traders and investors. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for actionable market insights. Today, we're diving deep into fascinating small-cap stock that just lit up our scanners, VWAP Technologies, Inc. We'll break down its recent moves, the strategies that flagged it, and the key levels you need to watch. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Show company logo and chart. Let's talk about VWAP Technologies Inc., ticker VWAP. This company operates in the technology sector, specifically scientific and technical instruments, with a focus on public safety technology. Their flagship product, the VWAP, is a handheld, non-lethal device designed for law enforcement and security personnel globally. It's a compelling mission, but what about the stock? VWAP is a true small cap play, with a market capitalization currently sitting around $82.08 million, placing it firmly in penny stock territory under $5. This means higher volatility, but also potential for significant moves. And significant moves it's been making. Today alone, VWAP has soared an impressive plus 15.12%. Looking back, the last 5 days have seen an incredible plus 40.9% gain. While the last 30 days show a more modest plus 1.2%, this recent burst of activity is exactly what caught our attention. Currently, VWAP is trading about 54.0% below its 52-week high of $3.23, but it's also a healthy 42.8% above its 52-week low of $1.04, suggesting a potential rebound from its bottom. So, with all that price action, why did VWAP land on our radar today? It's all about a confluence of signals, starting with volume. Today, we've seen 271,685 shares of VWAP trade hands. That's significantly higher than its 30-day average volume of 212,306 shares. In fact, its relative volume is 1.3x above average. Highlight volume VAR on chart list tells us that investor interest is surging, with more shares trading than typical, often a precursor to further price movement. Our scanner's entry signal price for VWAP was triggered at $1.48 based on a specific set of criteria we're about to explore. Our sophisticated scanner fired VWAP based on 3 powerful strategies. First, the Paloma Onces strategy, which means pre-breakout squeeze. This signal fired because VWAP had a low ADX, indicating the stock was consolidating in a very tight range, building pressure like a coiled spring. The price was also trading above its EM at 1T, and crucially, volume was beginning to expand, exactly what you want to see before potential breakout. Next, we had dip and gut top play antler, or strength from the lows. This strategy confirms that the stock is showing resilience. It also identified a low ADX consolidation and price above EM at 1T, but critically, VWAP's relative strength index, or RSI, was above 50, indicating healthy momentum, and its volume was above its 30-day average, confirming that the strength is backed by genuine interest. Finally, POC delta, point of control plus delta pressure. This one's a mouthful, but simple in concept. It means VWAP's price was trading above the highest volume price level of the last 20 days. Think of the point of control as the price where the most trading activity has occurred, showing strong support or resistance. On top of that, we saw 5-day buy pressure exceeding sub pressure, meaning more investors were actively buying than selling, pushing the price higher. Show VWMA/EMA alignment gate and chart. These signals were then confirmed by our VWMA and EMA alignment gate. In plain English, this means the stock's price is confidently trading above its volume-weighted moving average, suggesting bullish sentiment. Simultaneously, the trend strength, measured by ADX, was above 18, indicating a developing trend, not just random noise. And the RSI was in the healthy momentum zone, between 45 and 68. This confirmation filter is vital, as it helps us eliminate false breakouts and focus on signals with higher conviction. Alright, let's talk about the critical levels for VWAP based on our scan. Highlight levels on chart. Our scanner's entry signal price was $1.48. For risk management, we have a stop-loss level set at $1.4726. This is where you would consider exiting the trade to limit potential losses if the stock moves against your position. On the upside, we have 3 take-profit targets: T-Pone at $1.5540, TP2 at $1.6280, and TP3 at $1.7020. These are potential price points where you might consider taking profits as the stock continues to climb. Now, here's the really exciting part. The risk/reward ratio on this setup for VWAP is an impressive 10.0. This means for every dollar of risk taken on this trade, the potential reward is $10. That's an incredibly attractive setup, indicating a high potential upside relative to the downside risk. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Moving forward, with VWAP Technologies Inc. showing such strong signals, what should we be watching? Show live chart again. Keep an eye on whether the volume continues to sustain or even increase. Continued high relative volume would confirm ongoing institutional or retail interest. Watch how the price interacts with our take-profit targets. A decisive breakup of T-point could signal momentum towards TP2 and beyond. Also, remember VWAP is still significantly below its 52-week high of $3.23. This could present a long runway for further appreciation if this current strength turns into a sustained uptrend. However, always be mindful of that stop-loss level, as small caps can be volatile. So there you have it, a detailed look at VWAP Technologies Inc., ticker VWAP. Our scanners picked up significant pre-breakup potential, strength from the lows, and confirmed buying pressure, all supported by healthy volume and robust trend confirmation. It's a compelling setup with an excellent risk/reward profile of 10.0. Remember to do your own due diligence and trade smart. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more unique stock breakdowns, and let us know in the comments below what stocks you're watching right now. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy trading.